One.
Hi, I'm Amade Stanley, a participant of the UBE Teachers Internship Scheme. It's been a wonderful program introduced by the federal government to train and equip teachers with 21st century global education model. It's been a privilege being part of this program. Why? Because I've been equipped with knowledge, methodology that requires the use of modern technologies in education, smart classroom and blended learning. I want to appreciate the government for this initiative and please that this program should be made extensive to accommodate all Nigerian children. The program has actually equipped my soft skills, has trained me in professional ways as a teacher, and I wish to utilize it to further education experience for my learners in the public schools. Thank you. God bless you.